We are at Bredgade Copenhagen, and I think this street flooded in 2011. The reason why I assume this is the pavement is very low, so there's virtually no storage on the street, and they have created open stormwater gutters on both sides of the street. They're quite wide compared to my feet. So this drains an enormous amount of water. I think the width of the gutter is at least 40 centimeters and the depth I think 30. So both sides of the street can process a lot of water and it avoids flooding. Some of the buildings have a nice protection, others virtually have none. And this gutter is applied for, I think, approximately a couple of 100 meters on both sides of the road.